Logitech G, we're committed to advancing play through a brilliant innovation of design and technology. One of the ways that we do that is by taking previous designs and advancing on them to bring new features that are requested by the community. The G513 takes the award-winning design of the G413 keyboard, which means it has a super sleek aluminum top case in both black carbon and silver. But now we've added RGB lighting, multiple mechanical gaming switch options, and a super high-quality memory foam palm rest. The included memory foam palm rest is sweat resistant and waterproof, which makes it super easy to clean. Our special memory foam quickly recovers from pressure, so every use is as comfortable as the first. The G513 also comes with additional replaceable faceted keycaps for the most popular gaming keys. One of the most requested features with our keyboards is multiple switch types. Today we're really excited to introduce a new type of Roamer G switch with our Linear Roamer G. The original Roamer G switch has a tactile bump, whereas the new Roamer Linear is completely smooth from start to finish of the actuation. The G513 supports full per-key RGB lighting customization. And with the power of LightSync technology, you can get amazing dynamic lighting experiences. Use Logitech gaming software to create and customize amazing effects or select from a list of presets. Lighting control is right at your fingertips. Using the built-in key commands, you can easily cycle through presets as well as control brightness. Right next to the lighting control keys are the media control keys, allowing easy access to your content. The G513 is a very high-performance keyboard from Logitech G, with a beautiful design, advanced technologies, and serious gaming features.
Hey there! In this video, we'll create an RGB profile for the DAS Keyboard Q, as well as show you how to switch between different profiles automatically depending on what application you are using. To change profiles, click Edit on the top and pick from the list. If you want to create your own, it's easy. The toolbar at the bottom of the screen is there for that. Let's create a dark blue profile. First, you click on the plus sign to add a new profile. Next, you name your new profile by clicking on the three dots and selecting the current name. I will name this one Dark Blue. Click the check mark to save. Now let's select the keys we want to edit by starting at a point that isn't on a key and drag to select more than one key at once. Now select Color as the effect and select your color from the color wheel. Close the box to save the color. Click Save and head to the dashboard to see the new profile that you just made. And that's how you create a new profile. Note that I used dark blue. I usually like to use darker colors for the profile since I want to be able to distinguish the incoming signals that are displayed on top of the profile. Now say you would like the green profile to be automatically selected whenever you are using Chrome. This is the role of the profile switcher. Let's configure this. Click on the green profile, then select the link icon in the toolbox at the bottom of the screen. Click Select and find the chrome.exe executable. Click Save and you'll notice that the link icon appears on the green profile item. Once you use Chrome, the green profile will be selected. To illustrate this, we are going to now select the Longhorn profile. Now we start Chrome, and a few seconds later, the profile switcher kicks in and uses the green profile. You'll notice that the Q app shows in orange icons and messages that the profile switcher is overriding the user choice and is using the green profile. Back to the Q app now, and let's remove the profile switcher for Chrome. Click on the green profile link button and click the trash icon. And that's it. No more automatic switching. And that concludes this little demo. We have learned how to create an RGB profile and how to automatically change profiles based on the application that we're using. Enjoy your DAS Keyboard Q!